Hey, it's Sheryl Pokorny with the Pokorny Property Group. Today I'm answering the question how to handle a home inspection in today's market. Today's market is very competitive, and the inspection process is an integral part of getting your next home. So I wanted to answer this question so you know what to expect when you get to the inspection part of the home buying process. You'll need to schedule the inspection after your offer is accepted. I suggest doing this as quickly as possible. This will allow you to determine whether there's anything that would cause you to withdraw from the contract so you don't waste time in your home search. Once you get the report, sit down with your agent and go through each item and put each item into one of 5 categories: water, structural, infestation, mechanical, or safety. Anything that falls into one of these 5 categories should be addressed. Anything that doesn't fall into one of these 5 categories is up for negotiation. When deciding how to address repairs, you have 2 options. The first option is you can ask the seller to make the repairs and have those done before you close on the home. Number 2 is you can make those repairs yourself after you move in. Be aware that the type of loan you're doing may determine what repairs must be done before you can close on the home. If you have any questions about repairs and how to handle them in today's market, or if you have any real estate related question, feel free to let me know at the information below. Again, this is Sheryl Pokorny with the Pokorny Property Group. Thanks for watching and have a great day.